Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking with a fantastic tool that can elevate your projects to a whole new level, the Kreg K4 Pocket Hole Jig. If you're looking to create strong, reliable joints in your woodworking projects, you're in the right place. The Kreg K4 is not just any jig, it's adjustable and versatile, designed to help you achieve perfect, rock-solid joints every time. Whether you're working with materials as thin as a ½ inch or as thick as 1½ inches, this jig has got you covered. Its easily adjustable drill guides allow you to customize your setup quickly, making it a breeze to switch between different thicknesses. Imagine the satisfaction of crafting furniture or home projects that not only look great, but are built to last. With the Kreg K4, you can confidently tackle a variety of projects from simple repairs to intricate builds. The precision it offers means you can focus on your creativity without worrying about the strength of your joints. Using the Kreg K4 is straightforward, even for beginners. Its user-friendly design ensures that you can get started right away, and before you know it, you'll be joining pieces together like a pro. Plus, the sturdy construction of the jig means it will be a reliable companion in your workshop for years to come. So, if you're ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level, consider adding the Kreg K4 Pocket Hole Jig to your toolkit. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your projects. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more tips and tricks on woodworking. Happy crafting!